Hi guys, and welcome to another video. For today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this look. So if you guys want to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. So I already primed my eyes using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and now we're just gonna move on to the shadow. And for today I'm using the ILUVSARAHii times Dose of Colors palette. I'm gonna go ahead and get started by applying Loungy all over my crease. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the second shade, which is Wanderlust, and I'm just gonna blend that right underneath the first shade. And now I'm just grabbing a clean brush and blending those two colors together. And then grabbing my concealer again, I'm gonna start cleaning up my inner corner. Then I'm grabbing the brush I applied Wanderlust with, and I'm just blending that shade into the concealer. Now I'm just picking up Poquito Más and I'm applying it all over the area where I applied the concealer. And once again, just taking my brush that I used previously and mixing those two colors together so that it's all blended out. So I just wanted to intensify my outer corner a bit more, so I'm just taking a little bit of Finders Keepers and adding it to my outer corner. And I'm just applying it with a smaller blending brush. Since it is a black shade, I don't want it to get messy. And then with a clean brush, I'm just blending it upwards. And now for the lower lash line, I'm just applying Wanderlust. And just whatever's remaining of Finders Keepers on my brush. And now moving on to my face, I already applied my foundation off camera, so I'm just starting to apply my bronzer. And for today, I'm using my Marc Jacobs bronzer in Tantastic. And for contour today, I'm just using my Wet n Wild contour palette. For blush, I'm going in with my Note blush in Desert Rose. For highlight, I'm going in with Soulmate from the Dose of Colors and ILUVSARAHII collection. Now I'm just going in with black liner on my upper and lower lash line. Then I'm prepping my eyelashes for falsies using a little bit of mascara. Now I'm just lining my lips with my NYX lip liner and Nutmeg. And then I'm applying Barely There from the Dose of Colors x ILUVSARAHII collection. And to finish everything off, I'm just gonna set my face with my Fix Plus and Gold Light. This is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.